Hello, this is Group 3 e-content. I'm going to show you about our Group e-content topics about Year 2 English Animal Habitats. I'm going to skip intro. We are built from 3 group members. Okay, and we're going to the next page. Okay, we got RPH lessons, ebook, materials in teaching and learning, and assessment. I'm going to click this one, RPH lesson. Okay, as you see, this one is our group Ash, Shu, and She. Okay, this one is our e-content lesson plan. Okay. Okay, after view of the lesson plan, we can go back to the home again. Okay, here is the home page. We are going to click on the second button, ebook. Okay, just click on. Okay, now is the ebook page. As you see, we put our ebook in Google Classroom. You can enter the class code to join it. Okay, I just directly to show you our ebook. Okay, here is our ebook content from Superminds. Okay, the page is page 78 and 79. You can click on it. Okay, and R is about the habitats. And the next page. Okay, the main point. Where do you find the animals? Okay, the different animals, and just now about the different habitats. Okay, after the ebook, and now we can back to our content again. We can just click on home or next maybe. Okay, the third button, you can click on materials in teaching and learning. Okay, here's the page about the materials in teaching and learning. We got Google Classroom because all the materials we put in Google Classroom, and the videos. Okay, we can link to the video first. You just click on it. Okay. Okay, we came back to the e-content after the video. And now about the other materials in Google Classroom, I will show you now. Okay guys, here is about the animals habitats materials. Okay, in Google Classroom, we just click on it. Okay, all the content and the pictures and some sentence, okay, we can see in the Google Classroom. So we just click on it. Okay, the tiger, parrot, the camel, goat, polar bear, shark, jellyfish, penguin, and the noun is about the habitats, the desert, jungle, mountains, ocean, and the last one, polar region. Okay, after the materials in teaching and learning, okay, now I can click back home, or either you can click for the next page going to the assessment. I just click on the next button. Okay, the next button should be, we can view that this one is assessment. Okay, the first one, Poplet. Poplet should be the group assessment. And the second one, Quizzy. Quizzy should be the individual assessment. And the last one is Google Classroom also. The teachers provide some questions in Google Classroom, and each of the students or any students, they can read up their understanding, or they can just give some different answers about the animals' habitats. And now I'm going to show you about the group assessment in Poplet. Okay. As you see, this one is the Poplet page. Okay, this one got 4 groups. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, which represent the color represent 4 different groups. Okay, but the content inside is the same. I just click on the either one. Okay, the topics year 2 English habitats. Okay, I just put on 2. And now we look at the instructions. Please match the animals for different habitats and name it correctly in groups. Okay, so the student in groups, okay, they can see that got animals, got different habitats. Okay, they can just click on and directly again. Okay, here the jungle. Okay, then just type on jungle. Okay, which the group members need to confirm the answer is correct, the spelling is correct. And then the second question, okay, is camel. Just stick in small first, and can just drag. And here, okay, the correct answer, I can change color. Okay, I just type on desert. Okay, and the rest is the same. Okay, this group assessment is let the students in groups, they just need to finish it after the discussion. Okay, home again. I show you the different groups. Okay, it's all the same because this one is the group assessment. All should be the same, and after that teacher will discuss the correct answer with them. Okay, after the group assessment in Poplet, and now is the turn Quizzy. which is individual assessment. I'll show you now. Okay, this is quizzy. Topics the same, animals, habitats, assessment, year 2, and start the game. Okay, you find what? Birds in the jungle. I picked the correct answer. Okay, and then this one. Okay, I purposely picked the wrong answer. I pitched in Torah Basin Desert. Okay, the mark is reduced. Okay, I try again. Choose the correct answer based on your picture given. You find goats in the mountains. And oh, wrong answer. Okay, game ended. I can find new quiz and play again. Okay, here is my game summary, which I have 6 correct, 2 incorrect, and my time using average time is 5.5 seconds. And now I'm going back to the others assessment. Okay, the last assessment is in the Google Classroom, and now I'm going to show you. Okay, here is the questions put inside the Google Classroom. Can you write out the others animals for difference? Okay, please write down based on your understanding. I click for the view question first. Okay, and here student can answer because I'm in the teachers, so I won't be answer it, and go back. Yeah, okay, now we back to the content again. The next button I click on should be the end. Okay, thank you everyone. Here is our e-content from group 3.